So this is Caleb from Brainsby, a YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show you. This is my smallest bee. Okay, this is one of the smallest bee here in Brazil, and I want to show you the interior of this hive. Okay, um, this is the Jataí's hive. Okay, this is so small. That is the honey pots. Okay, so they have honey pots, propolis pots, and the curious thing about this hive is that this little um, tube here, okay, they close it every day at night. So any so they can prevent the other predators to enter inside the hive. Okay, so maintain everything closed. So this is the answer for my channel follower. I hope you like it. Subscribe and share my channel if you want, if you like it. That's it. Bye bye.